Welcome once again, my beautiful people. Big up all my subscribers, old subscribers, and my new subscribers. Appreciate y'all so much. We're here back again with another movie. This one is called Campari Must Die. I want y'all to sit back, relax, and just take in the movie, have a laugh. You don't know what we do. Thanks again for tuning in to GQ TV. And like I said in a previous video, if you want to help us out, the cash app is on your screen right now. Anything you said is greatly appreciated. Once again, thanks for tuning in to GQ TV. Just make sure you share the movie, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and just give it a like. And have a blessed day anywhere you are in the world. We appreciate y'all so much. Bless up yourself.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on.
So let me catch you up what I go on yes or no. Like me I tell you more time in a life. Sometimes some things happen. And you have to say, John was start. Call for this. Zane. Now imagine, me and my woman live together. We are do alright. Zane. Me I try to get a new job. Because me always feel like this woman people have to give me job. So me decide say, yo, I want to go do things for my own. Zane. So me didn't know. Now I really work right now. Like me said, me I look for a new job. So now this man come running at the back of with one car. Now him a tell me say, him a dey done. So him nah fix back nothing. Now tell me now, what me if do? So let me tell you now how this a saga ya unfold.
So, what me can't seem to understand is why you the home, now work, you have the vehicle, I'm supposed to get picked up from work, and you don't come, you even call me and make me know say you can't make it. Like you have me wait for you in California and pick up. What happened now?
Seriously, Jess?
What do you mean
You
serious?
really think when I do that just start I hang out and I'll pick you up? If you ever you know what happened to me today. I'm me if you tell you.
What happened? Because first of all, I never did assume anything, but clearly I asked you why you could have picked me up and said, tell me what happened.
Alright. So me I drive. After me let me drop you off this morning, me I drive down a what the place name Wild Gully or whatever. Soon as I come around the corner, I somebody that hit me in my back. Boom! Mash up the whole of the back of the car. When me come out, and I try get some information, the man push up 145 in my face and say, listen, nah, fix back. Nothing. Me running wall of so. Nothing I could have do. Right now, them tow the car down at Herman. I don't know what to do. Everybody tell me about this man at some Campari or some, if you just load that.
Who?
When me tell me brethren them how happen, then tell me say at Campari and him had it done and me feel load that and
But you just slow it. Me hear about him, you know.
you too?
But then if a bad man and the man push up gun in your face, you want to go fight bad man? You want to go at it with bad man?
So where you get the car fixed? You need the car
fix
figure out work.
we're broke, we will sort it out.
You see the car?
No, because it's
How
not
will
in the
money not gonna take to fix?
We will figure out a way.
So what that? If you just lower it up, that's it. Just lower it up.
Why you talk about car one fix you have a new app on your head? Why you have a new app on your head?
New what? This new? Go
Yes,
like this like
it is
closet.
new.
We're not even talk about that right now.
We are talking about that. Why you buy things and you're not working and me alone and pay all of the bills and now the car messed up and me have to go fix it? What is wrong with you?
You have to go fix it. Who said anything about you fixing it?
Okay, then you are going to fix it, but leave this Campari person alone. Cool?
How? But the man lick me. Indeed for fit. Fix back the
so you
car.
go station?
Everybody say me no figure station.
So you go at it with him? Do you have a gun?
So basically that's it. We can't just get hit
Just
and
make it stay. Prevention is better than cure. It happen already. We go start it. You go start it out because you say you're gonna fix it. So you fix it. You have nothing more to say to you. The only thing we have to say, stop buying shit with money. Stop doing that. We go run out of money.
the hat is irrelevant. Let's talk about the car. We need to fix.
Let's talk
Where the
about
so-called
you
Campari
finding
hit.
a job.
Nobody even worry about that. Me have that under control.
Me need
Oh, you go throw that on my face.
I am not throwing anything in your face, me, and so we are gonna run out of money. You keep on buy things. And second time this me see you buy something.
All that.
That's not an
Sitting in the
old
closet for years.
What about the t-shirt yesterday? That was old too?
You know what, Jess? We need to talk about the car. You said, you're not talking about the
I'm
car,
not
you're gone the
talking about
clothes,
the
which
car.
is irrelevant.
Because
And the
that's
car, we
it.
need to get fixed.
Listen, I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm not gonna argue with you. You need to fix the car because I'm not taking where taxi come from. Where 1, 2, stop spend money. Yes, when I get back a job, do not walk when me I talk to you.
You know what, Jess? Me tell you, so the man running on my back, you not even ask me how me do if my back hurt me or anything. You're gone from clothes and gone from hat, which is irrelevant. And you tell me, say, we know.
Me doing. It's not irrelevant. I was gonna ask how you're doing. But mom said about the whole day because you could have taken my phone and call me and ask me how me go reach. You could have tell me say the vehicle not work. You have me wait for your work.
My phone dead. Me did that run and find out all this Campari thing. Everybody tell me, say, yo, don't gas station. So this man look like he have police in his pocket. The man tell me, say, just leave it alone.
Just leave it alone.
So you too?
Yes, because me no want go and me I got work, you know. Me no want feel unsafe when me up on the road. Just leave it alone. We have enough money you have enough money can fix the vehicle. We will get it done.
Money to fix vehicle? I don't know my problem. I him to fix the vehicle. I have to go find out who this Campari. You know what? Since yourself a lefty, I don't know. Find yourself a work. Take a bike taxi or something. Obviously, come like you the on Campari side. As far as I'm concerned, the whole of the community depend on this Campari side. Campari are the boss.
The marine.
Hey, what going?
No, I'm kind of surprised it's still in here.
For real, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this whole Campari thing just dip on my mind. Usually I me do that still, me just
like take up myself early in the morning, go run or something.
Why?
What do you think?
Because you're not working?
Exactly.
Yeah, but me try for hook you up with somebody, me try for hook you up with my uncle, me try everything you don't want it.
No, just listen. Me not take no more job from none of your family member them.
Yeah, but why?
Me find my own. It just make me feel more like a man. Them
You
do too
don't
much
feel
for you.
like
I
you
mean, no
take
want
too
them.
long?
Huh?
You don't feel like you take too long?
Well, what you want me to do? It I go take as long as it.
What do I want you to do is take the damn job. Because I mean, the bills them a pile, well, they are not piling up, but I'm me alone, and then the rent a come up, and for the last 4 months, I'm me alone.
What I worry about. Me tell you said this
And for
month
the
me I go
last
good.
4 months, I keep on, I still not bother worry about it. Why me not go worry?
Me I go good. Me I go find something. Matter of fact, me I go back to my link vessel.
You should
I
have
see.
never left us there in the first place. Now you run back to me, not gonna look small.
Yeah, but at least me I saw my pride. I mean, they get a better half of money. They don't make. But me never know said the thing did just like a water down so. And vessel cool. I mean, me know when we take him back.
Then why you wait so long if you know?
Yeah, him say him never. No, remember say me did a Lincoln Virgin, but him say he never need nobody at the time. But now I go link him back. I mean, even if he can take me on couple
Okay.
day a week, better than no day a week. If you know.
So what going on with the car? Cause me need to go work. I'm gonna take taxi.
Oh, me I go link back Herman and see how much we fix it. Yo, I know we fix to fix the car, you know.
You and you should have fixed it.
Yeah, but I know me.
Yeah, but me tell us to leave the Campari person alone and we just figure it out on one. So why you keep on bring him up?
Just like that.
Yes.
Me don't know. That just nah sit well with me. It's like me can't fathom that. Like we just have to just leave that just like that. What the hell is this? I mean, we live in a country where
Me now go back over this with you and I don't talk about this. Me have work. Me get ready to figure work. So if you want to write this and talk about Campari, you talk to yourself. Me now go over this with them. Me tell you left it alone. When more than have the money can fix it. You say you gonna get a job, but you fix the car, you get the job. The money where you use and fix the car go back in your account. Right? Just leave it alone.
So Jess, why are you walking? What happened to the car?
Do we meet no accident with you, so?
Really? Oh, meeting
With the Campari.
So holy cool.
Honestly, doing say a Campari, then the run of the dead end run I road on the south. A Campari like in a back part and carry. I'm telling him follow it out and in now and here.
But I bet I'm loud for you, Campari. Girl, I bet I left that cause a serious situation that.
I don't know what else to do because he now listen. Every day this man get up and talk about a Campari supposed to fix the car. I tell him so we have more than enough money can start it out.
But girl, anyways, why do we need to leave working at the first place?
Honestly, I don't know the full truth of what going on, you know.
It's rough cause whole heap of confusion, brother.
I don't even know what to do no more. Like the man just stuck on the same store. I just praise him not gonna do nothing stupid because
So girl, what are you going to do about the car? Cause you can't leave like that, you know. So
what we gonna do? But you know, hear me. Me tell you, so we having more than enough money can fix the car. I
But
just
why-
do we no one listen.
why him want Campari fix? And
Because
that's the
he's
problem.
stubborn and he love trouble and he just not feel like so one man supposed to lick in car, him supposed to pay for it.
Him need to left it cause boy, I mean that rough, bad too. But girl, anyways, all you have to do is just don't make him do anything stupid. You have to watch him, you know. Just watch him.
I'm gonna go watch him on my day at work.
Savasso. Good evening.
Do you know what, man?
I'm me man.
What you did? Well, let me just let the gate, car.
Yeah.
I don't want to forget. Feel lucky. Hold on. What you dealing, man? What you going?
You know,
Where you up to?
Mr. Vassal, me just ask you say, you can bring me on back on the work. Me know me left the last time sudden, but right now me in a little bind and you can't find nothing from the other day.
No. What, you know, say, to be honest with you, I start this thing and I start from scratch. And in a time I need, when I need you for work, you run me and left me and go find something and say, come back. Right now, when you hear little knicks-knacks are going to come,
Sorry about that, man. I just, I don't even know what to say. My last few words, but
Boy, to be honest with you, you know, things they pick up the other day, call hotel with they and all them stuff they work and
Yeah.
boy right now, no, nothing not go on now still, you know, but to be honest with you, if I do nothing for you, I
Yeah.
just a little day work me or give or something like that, but I can't do nothing long term.
Well,
That's why things set you know.
anything better than nothing. We will take it for 1 day, 2 days.
But it's not like you're desperate still, you know, you're doing. But John won't start. You can't work in a boss man, but the last time when you left me still, I didn't rate that. But as I say, if you want a day work, you're fine with me. You
Yeah,
understand?
man. Sorry about that, man. But you know, like a boy, I can't find nothing from the other day.
What I'm saying now?
And somebody running on back of my car. This
Somebody looking in
man,
the car.
them say some brother when in Campari or something. And right now, my car need to fix me.
Whoa, 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 back up. Who?
Campari or whatever his name. Who's this
Run.
man?
Campari.
Yeah.
John was star. So, well, your car damage bad?
Will I back mash up?
And what happened? You got team for nothing?
I go to the man and tell the man, said, at the time when you're on the scene, I tell the man, yo, you have to go fix my car, and brother. Give back.
Yo.
The man push on 45 in my face.
Yeah.
I say, nah, fix
Hold
no.
on, hold on, hold on. Listen. Listen to me. Take
Yeah.
me foolish advice. Listen to me. Just forget it. You see whatever it is, go deal with it or deal it by yourself. Listen
Just like that?
Yeah, man.
That's-
Listen to me. Listen to me. Take my advice. Leave it alone. If you're going to fix your car, you go fix your car. Just forget about it. May I beg you, please.
Chano
No,
star.
man, no, no, no. A good advice me I give you. That the man there, lick your car back and do that. Just, if you know what good for you, just call it a day. Fix your own vehicle. May I beg you, please. Please. Please, sir.
That's not right, though.
Me know you're not right, but if you want good, just left it. Left it.
All right.
Left it. Anyway, all right. And here what I'm still.
Yeah.
A morning 7. Me no mean sir, Jamaican 7, you know. You know American upon time. American 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Come check me on my yard.
Yeah, man, me did it.
What size are we?
Give me a large.
Large?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
All right, because what happened now, you see the location where I go, you have to in the company I represent. All right?
All right.
So, me I give him, his name, Tony.
20, yeah, man.
Yeah, me I give Tony a shirt for you. Me say, no, it's all right, just come check me. Me give you a shirt.
All right, Sebastian, I
All right?
appreciate it.
So, me see you.
All right.
All right, my boss.
Thanks again.
Yeah, man, cool.
I go on, man.
Oh, I go on.
I did it.
What I son, man?
Tell you, son, I beat me.
Yeah, man, I run said them, man. But boy, me I tell you the truth, enough man compare them beat up and sit, you know, so.
That me I hear, dog.
So, you know, I get right this sign on. Yeah, cause this a look like y'all want one new bumper. So, it's a bumper you can't fix. You want a new bumper.
Catch back all the color and thing, yeah.
New bumper, plus it a want two little reverse light. A 35,000 panel, you know, so you know, so if you spray bumper at 35 and that at 35 and plus if you buy back your bumper and the light and everything, you're looking around 150,000.
150, yeah.
Yeah.
So much. I mean, if you do that all by myself, you're the man to fix back. Yo.
Brother, you better you allow that. Me understand and me feel your pain, but boy, it's either your life or you're spending money on fix it.
Oh, wow, who this man here? Everybody are telling about this man here. Oh, who this man here, dog?
The man they are done for run, so you know. And a whole heap of man, they man they beat up. So you don't want to be one of them man there. So just allow that.
Oh, them thing, you know. Right. Oh, look. I position of me, you know. I know me lick myself.
Alright,
Yo,
you just do it little and we start out, man.
Equally clue, man, I'm not even at work right now. I want a few days, I get with Vassal Star.
Brother, just load Campari thing and one more additional thing. Me normally charge extra each day if you keep it there, but through a Campari thing and Ray and you and mix up,
Eh.
me we just take off look laugh it and things, see me? And brother just load Campari business. See?
Yo, what about taxi and
Alright. Do your thing, man. Look more.
yeah, respect, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Well, no, but like me tell you, say me no know what I'm gonna do. And like you not hearing just stubborn. Like me tell him to leave the youth alone, just leave the situation alone. But no, because like when me I say we have the money, can't sort it out. The man just stubborn. But more the careful fix though, cause I want to go work. No. You didn't realize how late I come back yesterday? Because I couldn't get no drive. Girl, I don't know. But I'm go talk to you tomorrow, yeah?
All gone.
No, man, me call you. Alright.
Don't let Herman me I come from now.
What you say go and pick you, man?
It's gonna be 150K to fix back the car.
To be honest, that not bad.
That
Why
no
you
bad.
just keep on make the thing a big deal though, babe? We can just fix the damn car so we can go work and just make this something still.
150,000.
Yes. We
I mean not
can
even
manage.
at work. A couple hours may I get with a couple days with Vassal.
Yeah, look
Need
for a minute. So I say $150,000 is a lot to have a new ad pay your head again.
new hat. Why you do that?
Why me do what? Why me do
Me
what?
tell us that none of them hat are no new.
Okay.
Seriously.
And then me put your clothes them in the dresser, in the closet, and I me the laundry. Where them at the day? Where was the at? You keep buying new things and I worry about money.
Not a new hat, yes.
It is
I
a
don't know
new
why you
one.
keep doing that. But let's talk about the car.
What
We shouldn't
about it?
have to
Just a
fix the
one thing.
car.
You know you're too stubborn. You're stubborn, man. You don't like to listen.
Need the car, no? Me just walk pretty much all of the way down at Herman. The sun hot like whoa.
That's why you don't worry about the 150 and just get it done. Just fix the car now.
Because me don't feel like I'm me for do that.
Okay, doing. So
It's
why
not
why
right.
you bring it to the mechanic if you're not planning to fix it? Why you go check out the price if you're not planning to fix it? I just compare you follow.
No. Because I aim to
Yes.
fix it. But I mean we have to bring it to the mechanic. I mean, me and a mechanic.
And if him don't fix it, what will happen? You gonna leave it down there?
Me don't like how you me don't know why you just take this so nonchalant. What is it with this Campari, dude?
Because I'm a bad man, why you gonna follow up that?
You know, see, that same thing Herman said to me just now. Yo, I don't know this man must have got in our neighborhood.
Nobody never say my God, but if your mother never hear tell you say prevention is better than cure, why you gonna follow up the man knowing when capable of?
Oh, you know so much about it. Herman, I'll tell me say you run deeper than that. I don't know what that means.
I don't know. Wait, whosoever I talk about, I have no. Listen to me, Dwayne. Just fix the car. Fix the car and leave Campari alone.
Alright, yeah.
That cool?
Cool. You cook?
No.
You order?
Yes.
Alright.
Yo, fatted. See what they are locked down the place and boy, if you know in my youth, when I ramp with people in my general. Oh, I'm tear man. Anytime them violate a straight beating to them skin, you know. Yeah, when I ramp with people, man. We make iron feel them skin, man. What do you know about this? Hold on. Boss your fault. Don't say no. Wow.
Who drink up my Campari?
I don't mean bossy. I don't know fatted either, isn't me? But the day I saw never shop.
Yo, just tell me the truth and done. Who drink up my Campari?
A bread back, bossy. A bread back, man.
I bread back.
Yeah, man. A bread back, do it. Yeah, bossy. I don't know joke thing.
So him not say nothing.
Then me and him there so from time and him not gonna say nothing, but you don't know the man really say nothing.
Wait till him come, yeah? Wait till him come. Yo,
Enough bossy, I just want a little bit him take out still, isn't me?
I tell you no say. Nobody no touch me Campari.
True still.
Matter of fact, the place alright.
Yeah, bossy man, I'm tear man, no man
Up
violate
on the
this.
front, not sweep up door.
No, watch on, I get the boy for deal with it, man. A simple match that bossy. No, but you don't know where I control the ground, you know. No boy now violate, you know. Cause we beat anything and everything around here. You see it? Yo, yeah,
Yo,
sit down.
how you go buy that, man? You take long, man. Me a dead for hungry. It's not hot, you know.
That me I tell you. Yo, yeah, sit down, pan. Get a black man, look how much black there is, so.
We have to go do all that there, though.
That
That thing say?
that boss here tell you. And I say, oh, this have to do today.
Channels, though.
Oxide.
Mm-hmm.
You talk about me take long, bro. A pity you don't know how lucky thing, me see uncle. What you want? You want the orange juice or you want the water?
Give me orange juice.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Stress out, you know. But
Yo,
I say, as you ask me, what I say, all of this have to do.
what I say?
All of this stuff. And look how your son at.
Tell you.
Backside. When I say, you don't pick none of them, yeah?
No,
Not
sir.
even see none. None already.
But yo, I say, I'm a couple of days give me now. You can't chat to him and give me a couple more days.
Me feature team.
Mm.
Brother, me tell you, never feel left in the first place, you know.
True, bro. But yo, let me tell you what happened to the car. Remember me I tell you what go on? So, after we go so boom now. Zine, and me drop off Jess. And me make a left turn down I same place there, man, when you say you drop a 5 bicycle.
You want fancy, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yo, you booming at back of the car. Zine, so me I say, well, the bongo jungle go on. So when me come out now, I say, yo, brother, you have to go give me an info to plug the car. Yo, the man push up a 45 in my face and say, yo, you know, fix back. Nothing.
So well,
And I him run the place. So when me, I tell everybody what go on, people, say, Campari. I say, who is this
Outside.
Campari?
Brother, you'd advise you to low it.
What do you mean low it?
Low it, man. You hear what? See them man there? I be a beat them man, I beat people around here.
They do beat people over there? What do you mean beat people?
Boy. Yo, low it.
You talk about like what Suge Knight used to do with the artists them?
That's why I tell you low it.
Like what Cartel do to the artists them?
I don't want to get to that one. But me I tell you low it, brother. Low it.
When you say low it?
Low it, man. You might catch up on your own self. What them say? Them say about, you know, remember I said when they say about rope, what them say, yo, you can't, sitting there about give a man enough rope for himself.
But
Low it,
brother,
bro.
me need my car fix.
Me understand that. You can't never insure comprehensive.
Yeah, bro, but
Me understand, but
I want to tell you, say,
save yourself your life, brother.
we don't want to take that they claim the dog and him to fix it, brother, and him lick me.
So a bad damage where you can't afford it. Me understand saying wrong, you know, but
Yeah,
I
man,
just
say
say life
afford
me I
it.
look
Me
pan,
no,
bro.
me no, me no fit afford nothing, bro.
Brother, man have an accident down so already, you know, see him with you know, man. And by the time man come out, you know, man, bust up the man face with the gun, you know. And come like the police and free him too.
What you say?
Do a background check on him. I tell you.
So how me no know nothing about this, man?
Yeah, that mean you don't live yourself. You can't live yourself, I must joke here, mate, bro. We just a chat, sir.
So you say, just like that.
Eh?
Just like
You
that.
think a joke? Can't stand it. That's some work time. Can't stand it.
Yo, we feel like if you can't go show me how in there.
Doing.
Yeah.
That's risky.
Risky, what do you mean risky?
And I tell you, do the stats. Me tell you, say, man, somebody him running a man car and then turn around, box on the man, bust up the man face with him gun. You know tell me say push gun pan you. I mean, I tell you, say, have somebody where everybody know me, I wonder how you don't know that.
No, I not even know about this, man, brother.
If you insist, you don't care, you know. But you
Alright. Yeah, man, after work, we just
yeah.
go up the man.
If you get catch, nobody call me name, you know.
But I think that we not get no catch, man. We are gonna just
You?
put
We?
go and watch them.
You? Me go for get catch. That was him bad. But, all I'm gonna do, I carry you closest point
See.
and show you. You want to go it, that depend you. As a brother, I want you. I got the boy.
John, my belly feel like, I not even feel like eating nothing more right now, yeah.
My name is Phil. What is it?
Mm.
More food.
See the house, you know. What is so? Yeah, camera the pan house, my brother. Camera the pan? Lay low. Yo, see some youth there over there. Me tell you, say. Who the shot for 20? Youngster. Youngster them the one. One of them. Oh, yeah, to those man. Yeah, talk about that. You know, look pan what they have in their hand. See, boy, you see that? You see that gun there? That me I tell you.
Say, I get some food. Who them boy fatted? Watch ya. I'm not pray over bossy yard. You're fatted. Come here. Say, I scout more than my scout pound. Watch ya. Go around the side there and make them keep focus on you right there, so. I go screech around on you, so, and back them up. You hear that?
Brother, you have to prepare your phone if anything, you know? Hey, prepare your phone if nothing. So, what is up?
Yo, what go on? Yo, brother.
Hey, boy. Get him. Come on. Do I watch man yard, boy? Bossy! Oh, boy. Oh, yard.
How them boy?
Boss, me don't know the boy I screech you up a bad man place.
Hold on there. Yeah, man, put him around the and deal with him.
Yeah, man, bossy. Yeah, man. Put him in the run, son. Yo, fathead. Yeah, man, give me brownie. Give me brownie. So them don't move, man. Hey, boy, you know, boy. Put in a man yard, I don't. Hey, boy. Stay one place, boy. Hey, boy. Turn one place. Hold on.
Yo, Leary. Yo, yeah, come on. Say what? What do you mean? You find him on the roadside? So what happened to him? Jano. No, me just did a call, cause me and him to go work today, but no, me did actually leave before him. Yeah, brother, just let me know.
Be so loud.
Huh?
What happened?
What happened? What?
Me hear you talk loud. We are arguing.
No, I'm not arguing. Why do you think I'm arguing? I'm a
Because
virgin
why
now
you
talk
would
to.
I talk to somebody if loud if I not arguing?
No. Man and man talk, you know. So what going?
Okay, so do you want to ask one question?
What going?
You plan to take the work from my uncle or even cousin Jason?
Yes, me already tell you. So me nah take no more job from your family. But we figure it out for my own. No worry, everything up. But me,
Listen to me.
me angle it.
It's gonna be almost 7 months, 8 months since you now work. Almost 1 year that you know. And the whole time you tell me say we go figure it out, you soon get things done. And all now we are wait pan.
I will figure it out. Just want to do this for my own.
It take you 8 months?
Just give me a little bit more. If it not pan out, then I have to do what I have to do. But just trust me. I just feel like I need to do this on my own. Like, I just feel so vulnerable and just feel so... I don't feel like a man. Like, me always that take them always give me job and... I not do that again, yo. Not do that again.
So you're
I
going
figure it out.
you're going because of pride, run broke. Oh, your account stay.
Hey, and you tell me say we have to fix the car and all something, you know. Don't you tell me say we not fi follow up this Campari thing.
Because if
when I
you-
him should I fix the car, you forgot to that the money they do.
You say that I gonna get the job, right? If you did fix the car and get the job, but by the time you start work, the money they would have put back, but you still not work. You keep on telling me say you gonna figure things out, you're still the home, not doing anything.
I come from work. And I?
It's a pay you. You go give them
I'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. Yes. Just trust me.
Yeah, somebody have something.
Huh?
Yeah, somebody have something.
No, have what?
So who you did argue with?
I just told you it was no argument.
And you lie.
Oh, I be lying. Arguing about what?
You tell me.
We don't know what you're talking about, but we'll take off them clothes because it's been that kind of a day. You don't even know. Trust me. I'm really not trying to argue right now.
Yes, so we're gonna figure it out, I'm gonna believe you. But do not get yourself in any trouble. Okay?
Trouble.
I don't know what go on with you, you're not tell me nothing.
There's nothing to tell.
It's okay. Because me know you follow this Campari thing. Me hear out here shout on the phone, man, ask her what's up here and not tell me. Right?
So you don't believe me when me tell you say nothing
It's
wrong?
not a do it. Me just say make you know some have your back. Right? Me there for the whole 8 months in an hour. Just don't put yourself in any trouble.
All right.
Okay?
Got you. We good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Yo. Yo. Yo, yeah. Yeah, yeah, you wanna let me in. Channel hog. So the man do you? Yo, me sorry what go on, bro. But yo, me never know so you know drop dog. When you drop it's like me couldn't do nothing. I just run and I freeze up like yo, basically me I freeze up, brother. Yo, yeah, I mean yo, forgive me, bro. So the doctor them say Channel hog. Man, and deal with the way over there. Eh? Yo, me really apologize, dog, because me don't say, you don't see that try help me out, you know me, I say, yo, but, yo, that boy, the Campari, if he still, you know, yo, look at the man and deal with the dog. Yo, me know. But I put it on me like it's my fault.
That's all I do over there, brother.
Me know you don't tell me about. It's a joke to me just you want. You know. You see how the hell this man is. So, what the doctor them said though? Look at the man and do the man. Channel star. Then give you a timeline.
Bro.
Yo. I can't believe that. Yo.
Brother, just...
Somebody have to do something to Campari, dog. So the man in deal with it.
Just try to stay safe. Come and tell him and say, yo, we want to get you, dog. I've been doing it, but the brother with this.
I thought they say. Say, will get me. You think I'm going to find out, say, me and you?
I hope not. What if they want to get
Yo. Yo, so need that I didn't get a timeline.
Yo, can't move me this up for me. I have to come with it. I have to come with it, build that place.
Alright. Yo, talk to boss.
I'm trying it so. What the build them so we can.
Alright, yeah. No, tell your mother. Yo, I'm sorry about this, brother. Somebody have to do something to Campari, though. Yo, yeah. I'm sorry, man. I know it's my fault. But yeah, I'll call your mother, yeah? Yeah. Miss Beat. Yes.
Why you look like that?
Can I tell you something? You have a minute?
Okay.
Uh, the other day, my bedroom, yeah, did follow me go up a Campari. And you know, the tell me to leave it alone, but it's like I can't leave it alone when we go up there. It's like the man and see we out there. I run, run off. And the man them catch him, man. They beat the man silly. Me just go see, man. I tell you. Me not even know if I'm gonna walk again. Just not. Yo, them beat the man. Them deal with the man are weird. Just I tell you. All them things that are right. Me never tell you. Come, chew that and to leave it alone still. But me go see, man. Them beat the man are weird. Just I tell you.
So which part you come from?
Look at your yard. Them deal with the man are weird.
So me can't talk now? You see why me tell us to leave it alone so why you them the wall? Eh? So why you?
Them things are not right though. This Campari.
Why you never leave it alone?
I believe it alone and I can't fix back.
What you mean by oh you leave it alone? You see what happened now? You see what happened now? You cry? Doing this is on you. This depend you. Me
On
tell
me?
us to left. Yes, who it depend? No, who it depend? Because I kindly ask if you left it alone, right?
That me can't leave it alone.
Why not?
That me can't leave it alone.
Why?
Cause the man wrong. Oh, you feel like somebody can't we fix back.
No, you kindly explain to me where you go up and yard figure do. Where you go up and
You know, I hear you say in nowhere then there I'll make we go up there. I mean, no, me not even know what we are going to do.
No, let me tell you something doing. You see, whatever happened to that man, he depend you. You see, if he dead in blood, depend your hand. You see, whatever you can compare have to do with, me not care no more. Me don't care no more. Just no, make sure so I go work me safe. When me left out of the house, I go about my business, me safe. Cause why you got in trouble, bad man? Why you?
I don't be telling you me car.
Yeah, but you
no, we not
left
even have no
it
car.
alone. You could have avoided him, but you choose to follow up the man. Why you do this? Eh?
I don't even know.
You don't feel like so you put me in a danger doing?
I don't try put in a danger. I just try stand up for myself.
So feel like I'm after this. Why you do this?
So me can't stand up for myself.
Cry. You see what you do?
Cause the man and beat the man. The man and beat the man are weird.
So why you did happen to me? What I tell me say?
From when my grandfather tell me say in life, you have to get up and stand up to yourself. Now that me I try to do. How me feel?
You try stand up
in front of a woman.
You try stand up to a bad man. You have one gun?
It's like me not even care, man.
Me have security? Me don't even have the vehicle, taxi me, and they can do me anything doing. You know what? I don't even care.
You know so that's not right. Them things are not right, you know. Yeah, Savasil. No, I'm alone there now, you know. Yeah, man, I'll get to it, man. Yeah, you know, yeah, I don't know when him say my forward back, you know, yo. They mash him up bad, man. Mm-hmm. Turtleneck did there, man, but he left early. Took me to his grandmother or something. Yeah, man, I'll do what I can do, man. You know? I'll do what I can do. Yeah, I just one of them things there with, the man, him beat the man sickly. Alright. What you said? Coming tomorrow? Alright, cool. Yeah, man.
I can't believe I have you in bed with me second time in a 1 week.
Just
Hmm?
never want to tell her this, but I go kill Campari.
You gonna do what?
I go kill Campari. Big and serious.
Listen, they just like me not in a mood for foolishness. You hear me?
Just the man pretty much have the community in a chokehold. Somebody have to do this, just. I mean, the man had pretty much have the community in a chokehold. The man them beat you silly over there. I don't know if the man
And that's
ever
on
recover.
you. That's on you. Because me tell you countless times if you left the man alone, you gonna get your friend them involved, right? Because when I tell us if you leave it alone, you're not leave it alone, you gonna get your friend them involved, and now them a try revenge you and him in a trouble. So you that the pan, you supposed to feel bad. Do not put that pan nobody. After the man lit the vehicle and go in business, you don't hear about the man no more. You keep on and follow him up, right?
Alright.
So blame yourself for that. And let me tell you something. Do not do it. Just leave it alone.
If you say so, just.
Not if my sister nothing. No, listen. Not that I have no interest in the foolishness where you did so. I think in your big head. If you forgot kill somebody, you forgot take the money out of the account, right? Because you're not gonna do it yourself. You're gonna pay somebody, right? And you're gonna get one of you that friend them involved. You still gonna give them a thing, right? Now where you gonna get the money from? Where you gonna get the money from? Me talk to you. You go take it out of the account? What account? Me no want hear it. Listen, do not. If you do this, and I feel like they might come after me, they might come after you, they might come after my family. Them know where to find me, them know where I work. You want me dead? Talk to me now. Why you would have lied down and I think this? If you kill somebody, I don't expect this from you. I don't expect this. You should have think about a job. You think about if you kill somebody. What kind of person you are?
Yo,
No good.
I'm going, man. Yo, I'm glad to see you back, dog. Yo, yeah, so how you feel, though? You good?
Much better than what you. Whole lady in the TV don't want me come out.
John, no star.
It's like
How you feel better?
she paranoid about it from. But me until I say I can't sit down. So I keep my eyes them open.
Yo, sorry about that again, dog. For real, for real. The last couple of weeks, yo, man, I work like a dog out there. But yo, I'm glad to see you back on the job, dog.
Yeah. Oh,
Real, man.
I forgot to tell you, now.
Hey,
Be careful.
careful, hour.
Campari, I look for you, now, brother.
I look for me?
And then I me and your par, you don't know. Man, I look for you hard.
Look for me? Eh?
Brother.
Are that you
Look.
here? I think that done with dog.
Man, they don't give up so easy, bro.
So what you want with me?
Not true. You
When
say
you
you
gonna fix the
report the thing,
car
brother.
and
I'm saying you say you report the thing, brother.
report? Me no report nothing.
I don't know people that man old people carry wrong news. Brother, I think some I go take matters in my own and one at a time, you know, if him continue, you know.
Yeah. Between me and you, no kill Campari. You do.
You got jokes.
The way I do it, I go just go over there, give him a piece of my mind. I don't care what they want to do, and I go push my knife in him.
You go to a Dan. You think about what you just say?
I think about it.
You go to a Dan. You go talk to him.
Me think about
And like you go to him and just do something and move. You go to him go reason. The man have a gun, dog.
Yo, I don't care right now.
What if you think a water gun we say when we say you say the man push a gun for you and you go to
I do what I have to do. I just have to go over there.
brother.
In life, you have to get up and stand up to your right. Right now, I don't ever care. If they kill me, then kill me. But I just have to go over there, give him a piece of my mind.
That it sound like. It sound like you don't care none at all.
I just have to push my knife in him. Is it that him or me?
Brother, you can't go there go reason the man. If you go there, you just go there go attack the man or something. And you have to know what you do. Brother, remember say man have dogs in the street. As a matter of fact, you talk all too loud. Remember Bush have years in a boy.
Yo.
You have to just say such man, brother.
Look what the man do to your dog. And look what the man, you don't know me, say the man want my head. I go over there, or give him a piece of my mind, and then do it.
I come like me get weak, bro.
Yo, just that. I not even care. Wake up my mind. This is what it is, dog.
Bro, I don't want to lose you. I want a realest friend me have, bro.
I don't even have time for this, man.
Wait.
I'm going to Campari, but tell us
We are the what?
I have to do this.
Wait. What you mean?
I go over Campari.
Go do what?
Tell us I have to get up and stand up for myself. I don't want to hear this, man. I have to do it.
What you mean?
Listen, I go over there. See?
Jesus Christ, give this to me.
Is it that him or me?
Doing what is wrong?
Make up my mind.
Just listen to me, not just listen. Give me the knife. Just give.
Make up my
Knife,
mind.
you gotta fight.
I don't want you to tap up and do.
This makes sense?
I don't care, is it that him or me?
Jesus
Yes,
Christ.
we just have to do this.
Just listen to me. Just listen. Listen to me.
Man, I didn't win that.
Just wait.
You have to do this. Tell us, you have to do this.
Hold on. Wait. Another boy we are look for.
Campari. You want me? See me or no? I want it there. Ready for anything, we're ready.
Ready for anything? It's like back to school. Who for one day I go get in a boy, you know, long way I pray you.
The Campari there.
Campari there. What you are doing? What do you mean? What Campari?
Campari there. Right now, I'm ready for anything.
For anything?
Ready for anything, we're ready for.
Anything.
How are you going there? Eh?
Yo, listen, you know what? You can do anything you want with me. But right now, today, I decided to come with us and deal with this like a man. That Campari, and you let the car. And you have to fix my car.
Hold on, stop, calm down, yo, alright.
Right now, you two.
No, let him go. Hold on, yo.
You can't do anything you want with me.
Let him go.
You can't do anything you want with me.
Just let him.
But brother,
Let him go, bossy.
Hold on,
you know, say, you wrong. And you let the car. And you have to fix the car. So today.
just let him go. Hold on. Take the oil man, top of that, man.
Yo.
I mean, you come and start move stuff, man. It's easy yourself.
Chat to you, so bossy.
Hold on, man. Him brave to come up here, man. Him alone. Make that one a slide, man. You know, man. Watch your man all cry. Yo, youth, you're a tough youth, you know. So what you have to say now? What you have to say?
Yo, Campari. Yo, today, we come over here to deal with the situation like a man.
What kind of situation?
Brother, are you let my car, you know? Are you let the car? And you know, say, if you are a man, you is a man. Are you will fix the car? And today, we put everything on the line. So you can do what you want to do with me. You can kill me. But you know, say, you wrong, brother. You see? I feel like I feel small in front of a woman, brother. I come home and I can't mash up and I can't do nothing about it. So, yo, I don't care to the everything up on the line. Right now, you can't do anything you want.
Calm down.
You know, say, you wrong.
Calm down, alright.
See, you have to get up and stand up for your right.
Yo.
Hold on. So you can't do anything you want with me, brother.
Hold on, man. Alright, easy, man. Easy, man. You're brave to come up here and talk like a man still. I respect that. You see, the problem is not that. Easy as said. Come on and say me and talk.
So let the man talk to you, so bossy.
Easy, man. See, man, all cry, brother. Come in, man.
Business about that, boss.
Come in, man.
I browning man for gopher.
Come in.
Boss, I call you, boy.
Yeah. You're not gonna believe this. Today, you're gonna proud of your man. Listen this. You think I'm dead, though? You think I can party and kill me, though?
I think everything bad me could I think.
And
And why you not answer your phone? Me a call you not answer.
Listen this. What me tell you say? In life, you have to get up and stand up for your right. I say, go over there now. Babe, go over there. Walk in there like a any ram boy. Come on there now, walk in. The boy now say, look for me and look for me. All you have one ugly one. Yeah, we look like if a Santa Claus and steer me down, you know. And me just go in and me say, yo, Campari. Yeah, me have some man. Yo, you have to fix the car, you know. They look like a man, you know. And when me done and talk, and tell him the whole of them over there shook. Campari have to look me in my face and say, yo, youth, me love how you come and deal with it and stand up for yourself like a G. The man will end up give me a job. And that me I try to tell you right now. What will it tell you, say? You go give me my props or
Dude, I'm confused.
how?
Because you go up on the man them territory for fight, right?
Like a G.
And him
That I tell you.
give you a job. Okay.
Believe me, man. You don't believe me, don't. Right now, me have a job I start Monday morning and Campari I go fix back the car.
What kind of job?
Me don't know,
Security?
some sort of driving or something. Nobody worry about that, man. All we know is a Campari I go fix back the car.
Me
And
not
I may do that. And you man do that. Give me my puffs, man. Right now you have to cook me my favorite food up tomorrow. And that me did tell you, you see? You never believe me, but that go on. Big and serious. Yo, I'm saying go over there like a G. Me tell you so that, yo, you have to stand up for yourself.
So everything good.
Everything good, copacetic.
Come here, dude. Come here.
Believe me, man.
Me go
tell
give you
you.
props. See, I'm proud of you.
Thank you. What me did tell you, say?
So you actually stand up to Campari.
Yeah.
And everything good now.
Everything. You must fix about the car and everything. Plus me have a job. That's it.
So, you might go fix the car.
Fix the car.
You might enemy no more.
No more.
You might your boss.
Yeah. You give me a job.
And everybody good.
Good like gold.
And you do that.
Me do that, you see how me walk out. That's you know see how me walk out. Well serious.
Like
sometimes you have to make people know say yeah.
Alright.
When I go over there, I say, yo, you not go kill me or something right now. Yo, just cool, no, man.
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. But they tell you, man.
Boy, I say, I get the shock of my life. Nobody could have prepared me for this. when me finally find out. After me think say me deal with this situation like a G. Zin. Only to find out say all along Jess and Campari was sister and brother. And she line up the thing. So look there. It's like me still end up taking job from this woman family. Georgia no star. That one here shock me, I swear.
You know
What you mean?
Listen, now go over there. See?
Jesus Christ, give this to me.
Is it that him or me?
Dwayne, what is wrong?
Make up mind.
Just listen to me, not just listen. Give me the knife. Just give.
Me make up my
Knife, you gotta fight.
Me don't want you to tap up and do.
This makes sense?
Me don't care is it that him or me.
Jesus
Yes,
Christ.
we just have to do this.
Just listen to me. Just listen. Don't just listen to me.
But I didn't win that.
Listen, just
Listen,
wait.
you have to do this. Tell us, you have to do this.
Jesus Christ. Courtney, are your sister?
Always listen now. Always buckle up and let's take a ride. Let's go see what life is like. Cause when you're black, you got to pay the price. Living in poor and poverty ain't nice. So when you get an option, just make a choice. And when you make a choice, make sure it's right. Cause what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fighting. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. Always. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. And all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life can be up and it can be down. Sometimes you feel like a rolling stone, rolling down and running around. Don't let your conscience get you down. Cause where there's a will, there's always a way. It'll soon be your day. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality. Me see poor people living in poverty. Leaders of the world, they're living in luxury. And all they get to youths, they're living in misery. When all the little girls, they are living strife. So what is life? You better make sure that you do the right. Stop think once, start think twice. Stop all the war, fussing and fight. Warring by day and war by night. When the time is right, it's gonna be alright. Let us all unite. Let us all unite. So what is life? Life
Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to use. They're living in misery, when all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to use. They're living in misery, when all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? Way. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to use. They're living in misery, when all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life? Life is a reality, me see poor people living in poverty, leaders of the world. They're living in luxury, and all they get to use. They're living in misery, when all the little girls they are living strife. So what is life?